Good morning, students. Today we discuss the lesson 1 1.3 causes, cause and results of the World War One. Now we discussed about the causes. Okay, European alliances and counter alliance. Okay, in 1900, five of the European great powers was divided into two armed camps. Okay, one camp consists the central power. What are the countries are in central power? Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy. Okay, the three nations joined together under the guidance of Bismarck. They formed Triple Alliance in 1882. Okay, the understanding was that Germany and Austria would help each other. The other group consists of France and Russia. Okay, the alliance was formed in 1894 with the promise of mutual help if Germany attacked either of them. Okay, what are the countries? France and Russia. Okay, suppose the Germany attacked Russia, immediately mutual help to France. Okay, suppose the Germany attacked France, immediately the Russia help to France. Okay, their alliance was formed in 1894 with a promise of mutual help if Germany attacked either of them. Okay, and isolation Britain wanted to break her isolation and approached Germany twice but in vain. Okay, Austria and one group is consist Germany, Austria and Hungary and Italy. Austria and Germany joined together, but Italy is a isolation. Okay, the Italy approached Germany, but Germany is not joined with their group. Okay, as Japan was increasingly hostile towards Russia, as France was the ally of Russia. France and Russia are the two nations are joined together. It preferred to ally with Britain 1902. Okay, the Japan allies with Britain in 1902. Okay, the Anglo-Japanese alliance prompted France to seek an alliance with Britain to resolve colonial disputes over Morocco and Egypt. Okay, this result in the Entente Cordial 1904 in return for letting the France have a free hand in Morocco. The France agreed to recognize the British occupation of Egypt. Okay, Britain subsequently reached an agreement with Russia over Persia, Afghanistan and Tibet. Okay, this was formed the triple entity of Britain, France and Russia. Okay, next heading is violent form of nationalism. Okay, with the growth of nationalism, the attitude of our country persons, my country, right or wrong, I support it. That form will be developed. Okay, the love for one country demanded hatred for other countries. The England persons followed the jingoism, France followed the Chauvinisms and German followed cultures were the military form of nationalism, contributing decisively to the outbreak of the war. Okay, the next heading is aggressive attitude of German emperor. Who is the German emperor? Very good, Kaiser William II. Okay, the Kaiser William II of Germany proclaimed that the Germany would be the leader of the world. The powerful nations of the world is Germany. Okay, the Germany navy was expanded. The sea being considered a preserve of England ever since Napoleon's defeated Trafalgar War in 1805. Okay, Germany's aggressive diplomacy and rapid building of naval bases convinced Britain that a German navy could be directly only against her. Her means Britain. Okay, Therefore, Britain embarked on a naval race which heightened the tension between the two powers. In which two powers? Britain and Germany. Okay, the next heading is hostility of France towards Germany. France and Germany were old rivals. Bitter memories of the defeat of 1871 and loss of Alsace and Lorraine to Germany rankled in the mind of the French. Germany interference in Morocco added to the bitterness of the French persons. Okay. The British agreement with France over Morocco was not concerned by Germany. Okay. In that case, Kaiser William II intentionally recognized the independence of the Sultan and demanded an international conference to decide on the future period of Morocco. Okay. The next heading is imperial power politicals in the Balkans. The young Turkey revolution of 1908, an attempt at creating a strong and modern government in Turkey. It provided the Austria and Russia with the opportunity to resume their activities in the Balkans. Okay. The Austria and Russia met and agreed that what are the agreed? Austria should annex Bosnia and Herzegovina. Russia should have freedom to move her ships through the Dandelions and Bosphorus to the Mediterranean Sea. Okay. Soon after this, Austria annexed the annexation of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Austria's actions aroused intense opposition from Serbia. Serbia is one of the Balkan country. Okay. The Germany gave Austria firm support. Why? Because the one group of German and Austria-Hungary. That's why the German gave the help to Austria. Okay. Germany went to the extent of promising that if Austria invaded Serbia and its consequence Russia helped Serbia. Why Russia helped Serbia? Because the Germany's opposition party is Russia. So Russia helped Serbia. Germany would come to Austria's assistance. Okay. The enmity between Austria and Serbia led to the outbreak of war in 1914. Okay. This war is called First World War. Okay. The Balkan Wars. Balkan Wars means the Balkan countries are involved in the war, that is called Balkan War. Turkey was a powerful country in the southwest of Europe in the first half of 18th century. The Ottoman Empire extended over the Balkans across Hungary to Poland. Okay. The emperor contains, in which emperor? The Ottoman Empire contained many non-Turkish people in the Balkans. Both the Turkish and their subjects of different nationalities in the Balkans indulged in the most frightful massacres and atrocities. The example is Armenian genocide is the frightful examples. Okay. This is the Balkan countries. Okay. Austria, Hungary, Romania, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Serbia, etc. Okay. Taking advantages of the political and economical instability of the Turkish emperor from the second half of the 18th century. Okay. Greeks followed by other began to secede one after another from Turkey's control. The one by one, the independent of the Turkey's control. Secede means independent. Okay. Macedonia had a mixed population. Mixed means Turkish people and non-Turkish peoples are together. Okay. There were rivalries among Greece, Serbia, Bulgaria and later Montenegro for the control of it. Okay. In March 1912, they formed the one league that is called Balkan League. The league attacked and defeated the Turkish forces in the First Balkan War 1912 to 13. Okay. According to this end of the war, they formed one treaty that is called Treaty of London. It's signed in May 1913. The new state of Albania was created. Okay. The other Balkan states divided up Macedonia between them. Turkey's territories was reduced to the area around Constantinople. Okay. The divisions of Macedonia, how did not satisfy Bulgaria. So Bulgaria attacked Serbia and Greece. But Bulgaria was easily defeated. Why? Because the Greece and Serbia at the same time attacked Bulgaria. So Bulgaria was easily defeated. The Second Balkan War ended with the signing of the treaty Bucharest in August 1913. What are the countries are involved in Second Balkan War? Serbia, Bulgaria and Greece. Okay. Now we see the immediate cause of First World War. Okay. The climax to this event in the Balkans occurred in Sarajevo in Bosnia. Okay. On 28th June 1914, the architect Franz Ferdinand had to Franz Joseph, Emperor of Austria-Hungary, was assassinated by Principe, a Bosnian Serb. Okay. The Austria saw in this an opportunity to eliminate Serbia as an independent state. Okay. German thought that it should strike first. How to enter the war at the first. It declared war on Russia on 1st August. In which country declared war? Germany declared war on Russia on 1st August. Okay. Germany had no quarrel with France, but because of Franco-Russian alliance, the German army, which was planning a war against both France and Russia, wanted to use the occasions to its advantages. So the German violation of Belgian neutrality forced Britain to enter the war. Okay. Today class is over now. In the next class we discussed about the course of the First World War. You read the lesson carefully and to prepare the world map. Okay. You take the world map, the triple entities. Okay. British Emperor, France Emperor and Russian Emperors, triple alliance, German, Italian Emperor, Austria and Hungary Emperors. Okay, triple entity countries British, France and Russia, triple alliance Germany, Italian, Austria and Hungary. Okay, you have to take the world map and to mention the places. Okay, this place is the Canada. Next you mark the Austria, Hungary, Belgium, Great Britain, Germany, France, Italy, Morocco, Greece, Africa, Turkey, Serbia, Bosnia and also mark India, Japan, Russia, Australia, New Zealand. Okay, look how to prepare the world map. Thank you students. Thank you one and all. We see the next class. Okay. Thank you students. Read the lesson well. Thank you one and all.